This is lesson 3-5, parallel lines and triangles. So we're going to take some of what we learned about parallel lines and we're going to apply it to triangles now. The first thing we're going to learn is called the triangle angle sum theorem. So I want to find the sum of the angles of a triangle. Now the sum of the angles of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. The sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So all three angles added together equal 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. That's called the triangle angle sum theorem. So the angles of a triangle equal 180 degrees. Now we can actually prove that by looking at what we learned about parallel lines. So here's the proof of the triangle sum theorem. It's not a formal proof. I'm just going to show you why those angles equal 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle 2 plus angle C, those three angles we just learned above equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to write that down. Angle A plus angle 2 plus angle C equals 180 degrees from what we just learned. But why is that true? Let's draw this line right here, line PR. And line PR is going to be parallel to line AC. Now if they're parallel, this line right here, AB, is called a transversal. And angle 1 and angle A are going to be congruent to each other. Think about why they're congruent. If this is a line, PR is a line, and line AC is a line, and this is a transversal, angle 1 and angle A are alternate interior angles, so they're congruent. And if PR is a line and it's parallel to AC and BC is a transversal, then angle 3 and angle C are congruent to each other. They're also alternate interior angles. But look at angle 1, 2, and 3. Together, those angles form a line, so they have to be supplementary. And I can just substitute. Angle A is congruent to angle 1, so I'm going to substitute angle 1. Angle 3 is congruent to angle C, so I'm going to substitute in angle C. So therefore, angle A plus angle 2 plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Now we're just going to learn something about the exterior angle of a triangle. The triangle exterior angle theorem says the measures of each exterior angle, that's the angle outside of a triangle, so the measures of each exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum means to add, the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. The measure of the exterior angle, so angle 1 would be the exterior angle, it's outside of the triangle, it's not inside the triangle. The exterior angle equals the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles, meaning not the angle that's right next to it, but the remote ones, the one furthest away. Angle 1 equals angle 2 plus angle 3. So here's what it is with angle measures instead of words. Measure of angle 1 equals the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3. So the exterior angle equals the two remote interior angles added together. Okay, and we're going to use that in problems tomorrow when we practice. How about you using that exterior angle theorem, try and figure out angle 1 right here and come in with the answer tomorrow. So 1 is an exterior angle. It equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. So see if you can figure out the answer, but also figure out possibly another way you could do the problem without using the exterior angle theorem. Okay, and that's it for today.